So we've been talking to our business owners on ways to improve operations, legal structure, accounting. Here's 5 ways that you can improve the accounting or budgeting process that you have. Step number 1, have a system. Real simple. Whether you do it on a notepad, Excel spreadsheet, a software like a Quickbooks, have a system in place. Do it repeatedly, month after month. Second, track everything. Put everything into that. Know where all your money is going. Every dollar should have a home. Keep track of everything that's spent so that you can then review. What's not tracked isn't known, and what's not known isn't measured. So track everything. Review it. Review it periodically, whether that's monthly, quarterly, annually. Keep track of it. Track it, review it, know where it's going, have a better understanding, know the numbers. Plan and set goals. Have some reasonable goals that you want to attain. What am I expecting to spend this next year? Is that reasonable? What am I planning on doing with it? Know where your dollars are going. The ROI, return on investment. Know where your dollars are going so that you can spend it wisely, expecting returns. So set goals. And the last one here, be flexible. This is always changing. A budget isn't set at the beginning of the year and then never touched. A good budget, it's touched, reflected, updated, revised throughout the year. So stay flexible and keep planning. Planning is ing, it's ongoing, it's all the time. It's not once and done, it's once and over again. Make it better. So 5 things that you can do to improve your accounting budgeting system. Have these in place. And if you need help setting something up like a QuickBooks, setting up chart of accounts, knowing how to set up a budget, what is reasonable for my industry, for my business, let us know. Reach out to us. We're happy to help you with that.